Light. Every day we wake up, turn on our lights, but how many of us stop and think about where the energy comes to power it? The purpose of today's discussion will be to talk about how we generate the electricity and energy that we use. Here we have a classical incandescent tungsten light bulb. The electricity flows, heats up the tungsten, and causes a bright light to emit. We will talk about fossil fuels, renewable energies, and different ways of storing the energy that we produce. Our goal will be to give you a perspective of how we generate the electricity and power used to power this light bulb and other sources of power consumptions that we use every day.
We use energy to do some pretty amazing things. Energy keeps us connected, lights our buildings, and moves us from place to place. The power output of a single human being is about 100 watts, and before fire, most of this energy came from food. But the average American today uses about 10,000 watts per person. And if you do the math, modern Americans use about 100 times more energy than our ancient ancestors. While few of us would like to go back to living like cavemen, our increased use of energy often has some unintended consequences. And though energy prices often make headlines, we pay for our energy use with more than just money. When pollution gets into our air and water, all of us are affected. Energy exists in many forms. Light energy, chemical energy, thermal energy, kinetic energy, and electrical energy are all important forms of energy that we interact with daily. Today, we are going to demonstrate some technologies that convert one form of energy into another. Some of these technologies are relatively new, whereas others have been around for hundreds of years.